bese siyaxoxa. Mhlasimpe khona into eke yangithinta la kuthiwa kwakuyi-conference kukhona i-theologian isho ukuthi insizwa lengwevu ey'ntweni kaNkulunkulu ichaza kabanzi isiza abantu babuze imibuzo so kube khona umuntu obuza umbuzo athi ngicela ukubuza ukuthi umuntu uma ecommit i-suicide uyaya yini ezulwini yabo. Hayi kuthiwa ingwevu ngobuhlakani bayo obukhulu ivesane ishuthe i-answer straight ithi hayi no umuntu oyibulela kaya ezulwini uya straight esogweni you know. Ebese iyabonga lensizwa uhlale phansi kuthiwa later on yaqoqela izinto zayo yahamba yabo. Kanti khona enye ingwevu ibe in the mist you know. Yasiya kuleli theologian isiyobuza ukuthi mfethu ngicela ukubuza do you know why this guy ebuza ukuthi umuntu umeshone through suicide kwenzakalani athi le ndoda no angazange wasiyaveza ukuthi no le out kahle kahle unkosikazi wayo wayibulala you know. So ingakho ebuzile you know. I think the reason why I'm raising that ukuthi at times we look at the question siphendule singanakile kanti the person obuza i-question that question comes from somewhere you know. So kwesinye isikhathi umuntu uyabuza umbuzo o serious kodwa awubuze uthola ukuthi into wena wayi-overcome kalula. Kwesinye isikhathi sithole sesi-undermine ipain yabanye abantu kanti manje kuma-dialogues akanje angisho ukuthi umuntu umebuza into usuke ebuza into ehlupha yena straight but it's something that mhlambe engane anselula but uthola ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi lonto isuke idinga isizotha sokuthi siphendule ngenhlonipho because it could be coming from somewhere mhlambe not directly from that person in obuzile mhlambe khona umuntu amaziyo ambuzelayo yebo le nto la.